Stephanie. We're back in the Cauliflower Kitchen in Nashville.
Yeah.
And check out who we have here today. We've got the lovely Teresa Earnest.
Yay, Teresa! Now, Teresa is like part of our Cauliflower family because she takes 99.9% of the photographs that you see on our website and on all of our social media, and we just absolutely love you.
Absolutely.
I'm so happy to be here. Thank
Yay!
you. Thank y'all for having me.
Oh, y'all. She
y'all.
said y'all. Okay, so we're in Nashville, and I stick out like a sore thumb. No offense, but you do too. We're West Coast girls. Can you give us like a Nashville or a Southern 101, like just some tips on things we can say to fit in?
You can. I'm actually from Alabama.
Okay.
But I live in Georgia, so I've got a little bit of a mixture of a Southern accent. But you definitely want to say y'all.
Y'all.
So
Okay,
practice
y'all.
y'all.
Y'all?
Y'all.
Y'all want to make a pizza?
That's good. Let's hear your stuff.
Okay, let me see. What y'all got going on here today?
Okay, that was a little steel magnolia. So we'll work on that. That was good. That's a good start.
All right.
And then, so you've got your, obviously you've got bless your heart or bless your heart.
Bless your heart.
And this can be very fragile. So you want to be very careful how you use this, okay? So bless your heart, if you're talking to somebody, you don't feel well, bless your heart. I mean that. I actually truly mean that.
She's so sweet.
okay?
I feel that. I
Now,
feel that from you.
She's not around, or
Right.
she's around the corner.
Right.
And I say, bless her heart, she didn't realize that crust she bought was so high in carbs.
Oh,
That's a little different.
yeah.
So there's
See,
a,
that's a little...
Ooh,
Yeah.
it's like the intonation. I mean,
it's
there's
a little sting.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful how you use it. And then
Okay.
my favorite that I say about 1,000,000 times a day is fixin'. I'm fixin' to make avocado toast. I'm fixin' to go to the store. I'm fixin' to call my mama. Stuff like that.
Oh, my mama.
I'm fixing to shoot some YouTube videos today.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm fixing to hang out with two beauties today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So fixing to y'all and bless your heart.
Bless your heart. Just say it to their face. That way you mean it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
Because we don't want to talk about people.
That's good.
No.
Well, we're fixing to make an avocado toast today with our cauliflower pizza crust.
Yes.
Well, and I think you actually are the one that brought this to Cauliflower Foods. I mean, when we started developing different recipes, this one was yours. So
Well, this one stuck out to me. I live in Savannah, and we have a restaurant there called the Collins Quarter.
Yeah.
Who it's an Australian restaurant right downtown in the heart of historic Savannah. And the very first time I went, I ordered the avocado toast.
Yeah.
And I'd never really had avocado toast. Well, I never had it at all. And I thought it was the best thing I'd ever had. So I went home, and I have this sort of addictive personality where if I like something like a lipstick or an outfit or an avocado toast, I make it every single day. And so I was having 2 huge pieces of thick wheat bread, avocado toast, slammed avocado on it every single day for weeks. It was beautiful. I was putting it on my Instagram.
you were happy.
Yeah. And then I got sort of entrenched in this cauliflower life, and it just hit me one day that these crusts would make the perfect vessel or the perfect toast. So I tried it out, and I mean, it was just amazing. So we're going to do that.
Yay!
So which
so
crust
easy.
is this the crust that you prefer to use?
I mean, I use them all. I actually really like, I love them all. This is the original Italian. I love the vegan. I love them all. The jalapeno's got a little kick, so I have to really be in the mood for the jalapeno.
All right.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm sensitive to some spice. So you just take your avocados.
Well, okay. So I know that you were telling us before we started.
Yes.
You know, what if my avocado is really hard?
That
you know,
happens so
because you
often.
can't, smear that baby or mash it up really easy.
So right, and I do have a trick that my daddy, who by the way lived in Nashville,
Oh, nice.
he taught me this trick. I'm a Publix girl, and sometimes my Publix has like the hardest. You can throw and break a window with their avocados.
If you're on the West Coast, Publix is a grocery store.
Yes,
I did not know that.
So what you do is you take them home and you put them in a brown paper lunch bag with a banana. Just stick them in your pantry somewhere dark, and they ripen almost overnight perfectly. You just don't want to
fantastic.
forget about them.
Yeah.
That's such a good tip.
Yeah, you don't want to forget about them, and you don't want to do what I almost did one day and hand your son a lunch bag thinking it's his lunch and it's an avocado and a banana.
Ooh, good lunch for me.
Yeah, he would have been devastated. So you just, everybody knows this drill, but you just open your avocado up without cutting your finger off.
That's good advice.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then we're just going to take the pit out. That's a pretty one.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Coming from California, we've been spoiled. We get avocados, all the
I'm
time.
so jealous.
Yeah.
I actually don't use a separate bowl to, I'm just scoring my avocado to get it right
Nice.
out of there. I don't do anything special. I don't use a separate bowl for it. I don't really mash it up. I just go right onto the crush because I shoot at home in my home studio, which is my kitchen. I'm usually shooting food, and I just do it right like this.
Nice.
Yay.
So you're using the sweet red, the Italian, right?
Mhm.
And you've pre-baked it already?
Yes,
and
about 400 for 12 minutes or so. I like mine really crispy because I like for it to hold its shape.
Right.
I love that with these crusts you can control how crispy you want it. So you decide that.
Right.
And then you definitely let it cool so that it's nice and crisp.
Perfect.
And then I just cut up my cherry tomatoes.
Yum.
Oh, this is so easy, it's almost embarrassing.
No. I mean, because you're busy, you're a working professional, but you still want to not, I guess, miss out on flavor and healthy, right? I mean, imagine eating a toast every day. After a while, you're like,
oh my gosh.
It's healthy, but maybe it's not so healthy.
Not so healthy when you're having it 2 huge slices every single day.
Oh,
every single day.
So you could have this, twice a day, 3 times a day, and you wouldn't have that same issue. So
and then my favorite part, you could do goat or feta, but I do crumbled goat cheese. And you can just have as much or as little as you want.
Nice.
And then that's just about it. And then you can do cracked sea salt, cracked pepper. I just do the pepper because I do have high blood pressure, so I want to watch that closely.
Well, and you're getting a little sodium already in the cheese, so I mean that works. Oh my God, Teresa, that's beautiful.
And that's it.
Simple, beautiful,
delicious,
clean, and
then we have we have it.
Breakfast,
lunch,
lunch,
or
or
in
dinner.
that drawer right there. Perfect. Pull it out.
There we go. This is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's so fun to make because it's so quick. And then sometimes I like to get fancy with it and make, heirloom tomatoes and slice them. I have done feta. I love the feta too. I've actually done a corn salsa on it. Y'all, you can't go wrong with it. You just can't. And you can see how great I slice.
Yeah.
We're just going to go.
Well, and appetizers, or, I mean, it is really, really versatile. It could be lunchtime, breakfast time, appetizers, dinner. Glass of wine with that would be lovely too.
There's
Look
my
at that.
avocado toast.
All right.
Beautiful. Now you have to get back to work and take photographs of these.
I do. It's just hand me my camera. I'm going to take a picture right now.
Oh, there you
gosh,
go.
I'm
Perfect.
still in one. Maybe I'll wait.
No,
then.
you go for it.
All right. I'm gonna try it.
And I'm actually so happy because my very best friend lives here in Nashville, and she's here today.
Oh my gosh.
Nashville's just the best place on earth. I love this place.
All right, Kirsten, you come in too and have a piece with us.
Oh my
Come on
gosh,
in,
you have
Kirsten.
to. This is amazing. I think that goat cheese, that creaminess. Oh,
Teresa's best
Lovely.
friend, Kirsten, everybody. Come on in.
This is why Nashville is my second home. I grew up coming here every summer when my daddy was here, and then I just got so lucky that my best friend moved here. So
that's right.
It's home.
well, that's right.
Cheers.
Again, from our kitchen to yours, make this, celebrate with friends, family. It's a beautiful thing.
Yay.
All right.
Until next time.
Bye.